Hey everybody, Carl here from Apt, and we got to see this amazing TV at CES 2019 out in Las Vegas earlier this year. We finally got it in the store, so now we get to take a closer look at it. We're going to do the unboxing for you right here. This is the LG 88-inch Z9 OLED. Okay, so we've got the TV all assembled and set up on the pedestal. It's not that difficult of a process, but these are very heavy pieces, so you definitely want a second person there, and probably you're best off having a third person there as well. And also watch your fingers when you're putting the TV down onto the pedestal, because they can get pinched underneath, so just as a safety measure, be aware of that. Also, when you're done putting this together, there are these little rubber corner caps that you're going to want to put on here just to prevent anyone from bumping into the corners and scratching themselves. So keep that in mind at the end of your install. Also comes with this new redesigned LG Magic Remote, which is beautiful. It feels substantial, it looks substantial, and it definitely matches the overall aesthetic of the TV. That being said, it's beautiful looking even when it's turned off. You get this really nice pedestal that comes with it. It's kind of a brushed metal finish. It's very heavy, like I said. The TV, it's OLED, it's obviously very thin, but still very heavy, so just be aware. Otherwise, design-wise, it just looks stunning. Picture, as you can tell here, hopefully in this video, the picture is out of this world. This is the best picture we've ever seen here at the store. We saw it at CES just earlier this year, and it looked great there. It looks even better now that we've got some nice 4K footage up here that's being upscaled in HDR. It just looks absolutely incredible. The black levels are phenomenal. They're perfect. The color quality is right on point. So there's really nothing bad to say about this TV other than it's really heavy. As far as connections go, you get 4 HDMIs that are all HDMI 2.1, so you get all the advantages there, like variable refresh rate, passing through lossless audio, so some great stuff there. There's 3 USBs, there's an optical audio output, a headphone output, RS-232C antenna, and Ethernet. And there's also an analog input as well with a little breakout cable that comes in the box. But otherwise, you have plenty of ways to hook up to this one. It's a really snappy processor, so moving through the menus and everything, there's no lag whatsoever, which was great to see. It comes with that new Alpha 9 Gen 2 processor. This one actually has 6-step noise reduction as opposed to the 4-step noise reduction that you're going to see on some of the other 4K OLEDs. So there is a bump up there as well. And again, overall picture quality is just, hopefully you can see it in the video here, but just absolutely terrific. So everything about this TV is really great. So if you're in the Chicagoland area, make sure you stop by the store to check this thing out. It is expensive, it is heavy. There's not really commercially available 8K footage yet, but with that upscaling and just the awesomeness of the design, this is something that's really worth checking out. And if you do have the income to afford this, it's something you're definitely going to want to consider. Thanks as always everybody for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe so you can see all the other great stuff we carry here at Apt, and we'll see you in the next one.